welcome back to TimTOS 2025. I'm here with Peter on the Delta stand. Delta, you guys make CNC controls here in Taiwan, but what makes them different, Peter?
We have 2 points. First point is we can easier to design customized UI, and the second is we have a dedicated CAD software.
What does that mean when you have dedicated CAD/CAM software embedded inside the control?
Because in the past, people, if customer then use CAD/CAM, they need to buy
Another software license.
They need to buy IPC. They need to instant CAD/CAM on the IPC, and but now we have new technology. We can dedicate. We can for
embed the CAD/CAM inside the
CNC. Yeah. So customer can very easier to operation, and customer also can. Customer can easier to use CNC controller and CAD/CAM software. Because it's all in one.
Perfect. And so that's quite unique. And since you make these in Taiwan, I guess working with a local, all the Taiwanese machine builders here, why is it important to work with really local machine builders as a local control manufacturer?
Okay, I also have, I think I also have 2 points. First one, because Delta CNC controller RD center in Taiwan. So, and you can see we have so many CNC equipment in Taiwan. So when we cooperation with them, we can understand so many key technology, key function, and so many feedback. So we can very immediately for that technology be real, and thinking be real. That's first. And the second is because customer then want to very immediately to handle any question. So because we are in Taiwan, so we can very fast, maybe 1 hour, 2 hours, we can handle any question on customer factory. So customer then thinking that's very perfect.
Absolutely. So co-located CNC control manufacturing and machine building together, helping to accelerate CNC development. Thank you so much, Peter.
Thank you.